The Awards Network is a network of around 35 member organisations that are all responsible for delivering youth awards within Scotland. We have a bit of a slogan where we say that youth awards are amazing things, and we believe that they're amazing things because of just what young people can actually experience through taking part. And I think one of the real benefits that Youth Awards brings to young people is that it gives them such a wide range of choices. There's around 70 different awards on offer at the moment within Scotland. And last year, we know that over 133,000 awards were delivered across Scotland. So they're phenomenal indications that young people really welcome these awards. They like engaging in them, and they can achieve so much from taking part.